Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Today we'll talk about Ethereum on the daily and the weekly time frames and Ethereum BTC trading pair. Let's dive in. First of all, guys, let's start with Ethereum BTC trading pair. So I think the BTC dominance will pump again to 62, 64%, and Ethereum BTC chart will drop. I don't know, maybe next week or even this week to test the buy line. On the weekly time frame, my take profit indicator, so it's 0.026. So I wish to see something like this one in August and climb it up to the top. So like I told you before, I think if the altcoin season will happen by timing, let's say the major one, when the BTC after the bounce will drop to under 60% or even under 55%. I think this one. We will see the October, November, the Ethereum BTC around the take profit line like 0.062. This one maybe even touch at the exit line 7. So 0.07. So that blocks basically, guys, absolutely relevant. Nothing changes. So we dump it on the fundamental value. So we should bounce at least to this line. This time, based on this indicator, it will be the great time to fix all profit. Of course, some altcoins will pump faster, some slower, some lagging. It's impossible. So all alts will perform the same time. That's why just mark your entry, mark your exit for all of these alts. I wish to see the drop and test the buy line on a weekly, to see the correction a little bit, the BTC perform again. And maybe in the last 2 weeks of August, I think we'll see the continuation for the altcoins. On the daily, like you can see here, test the buy line, drop it lower, and now finally bounce to test and reject the take profit line. So I wish to see the drop lower to the low. Also, this is a low of not to that low like 22. No, at least to 26. This one. I don't think so. We're gonna drop and test the low of December somewhere. No, but would be good to see the test of 26 on a daily. About Ethereum price target. So let's close the chart. About Ethereum, everything relevant. I still believe that Ethereum will hit the new all-time high. So for me, it's so obvious, right? So big players, big whales, the companies accumulate Ethereum, but they need time after that to distribute their bags step by step. And I wish to see, and now Ethereum locally, I will mark two levels. So first one, it's this one, it's 3K285, and this one, even better, 2K921. Imagine the panic if we'll drop under 3K. Everybody will say once again, everything is over, we go into zero, and all of this absolute nonsense stuff, right? Technically, some people can start draw the left shoulder, like even like this one, 2K500, and the size of this head and shoulder should be exactly here. But it's not necessary, so we should build some head and shoulder patterns. Also, the people, like usual, made a mistake because when they draw the trend lines. So first of all, I remember that people draw the trend lines from this support, a fake out, bounce, support, bounce, and once again the fake out, but after that we dump it. Now the people can red bow it, so this is a fake out. After that, this is a support. So personally for me, the trend lines, it's not working well because it's totally subjective. Now we rejected 61 level fib. It's a logical rejection. I would like to show you with indicator set. By the way, here we test the take profit line. So it's okay to take a profit. Do I think we'll drop again to test the buy line? No. 1K900? No, I don't think so. That's why this is a target, what I wish to see. I don't know, it's this week or the next one. This one will be perfect one. Hold the line and go higher. With the weeks, yes, of course, we can test even 2K700. would be pretty good one. Monthly, you know, yes, we can't form the monthly to 3K to 3K, 2K 900, you know, to the fulfill of the monthly, and close all this untradeable zone and go higher. So I don't think so. We will go now to the to the buy line on the monthly time frame. No, I think we'll go later on Ethereum. And yes, my take for Ethereum is still relevant, 6K 282.85, and top of the top is like 9K 991. I don't think so. We're gonna hit to the 10K this cycle. You can hate it, like you can love it, but I don't think so. We will see the super cycle for alts like everybody talk around. Trade on. Here was a signal to sell on the weekly. So yes, so obvious next, I don't know. It's just my personal opinion, guys. Next few 5 or 7 days, 1 week, you know, or this week and the next one, we'll see the correction for Ethereum. And this one will be logical one. First zone, sell, signal on the daily. Last time to signal to sell, we saw it here. Sell, sell, buy back. So now we got a sell and no buyback signals yet. 12 time frame, tiny buyback, bounce, but need to see the take profit. Let's add alert to the take profit on trade on. Take profit, I mean from the sale. Yeah, like it's happening here. Sell, sell, buy back, drop, take profit, buy. So that's why I wish to see that the same story. The buy signal, I guess, will appear around here, 2K 900. Money power, it's on a Bitstamp, by the way, guys. The chart, one of the oldest one. No money inflow yet. So here's a money outflow. Now we, you know, in the middle, but without any new money inflow. That's why I think around here we will see some fresh liquidity in. Here's a whales fix a profit. 1-2 weeks, they fix a profit almost at the top. They not chase to fix exactly at the top, you know. So, by the way, the line chart, guys, the line charts, we're still under all-time high, even if we use the line chart. So the previously, what people do, they draw the trend line like this one, touch, drop, break. So based on this retest, we should go higher. But it doesn't work like this one. After that, people redraw the trend lines and add it here. Now we got the same story. So let's adjust it. Touch. Perfect touch on a line chart. Sometimes, guys, I recommend it to use the line chart so you cut all noise, cut all weeks, and take a look. This is a touch. So this is a rejection again. We need to see something like this one to talk about a potential new all-time high. But I think we'll form something lower. People, yes, of course, can draw the head and shoulder because it doesn't have to be the straight one. But anyway, guys, believe it or not, with that pattern, without that pattern, we will hit the 6K 800. So just a matter of time, because the whales will distribute this token once again to retailers at a much higher price. So you will see in the media a lot of posts about the 10K confirmed, even the, I don't know, 20K confirmed, 15K confirmed, all of this nonsense stuff. Now, no new fresh money inflow. Direction ADZ, not so positive one. So here was a accumulation on ADZ pump. Now we see the preparation for distribution. So last time preparation for distribution beginning here, February, and it took like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow, 6 weeks it took us for preparation before the sale, drop, consolidation, pump. Now the same story. Monthly, still in accumulation on ADZ, you know, and I think we will see the new all-time high and form the warranty. The warranty on ADZ on a monthly. So it can look like this one, you know, so something like this with this correction, something like this one. It will be 1, 2, 3 rise pattern on the monthly time frame. This was a drop from 4K to 1K 400 and capitulation. Now it's still a free on a weekly. We need to see the drop. So around here, I wish to see the disbelief at least one. Daily, also the AFRIA. So guys, this is my take. If you'd like to trade with my customer, because I already showed in this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.